Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible vitamins to repair nerve damage, where we'll explore how these essential vitamins can boost nerve function and improve overall well-being. Nerve damage has a significant impact on day-to-day functioning and can result in numbness, tingling, or even paralysis. Diabetes and multiple sclerosis are two conditions that can impede nerve transmission, resulting in chronic pain and difficulty performing daily tasks. We'll explore each of these essential vitamins. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a youthful glow. Let's get started. Vitamin B6, which is ranked 10th, is necessary for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the health of nerves, and the formation of myelin. It supports mood regulation and helps avoid problems with nerve compression. Next, vitamin B9, or folate, aids in nerve function by promoting nerve cell regeneration and reducing homocysteine levels. It's vital for DNA and RNA creation and prevents anemia, enhancing nerve health. At 8, vitamin D supports nerve growth, repair, and reduces inflammation. It's crucial for maintaining nerve function and immune health. Sun exposure and foods like fatty fish boost vitamin D levels. Vitamin B12, at ranked 7, is key for nerve cell metabolism and myelin production. It shields nerves from oxidative stress and helps alleviate peripheral neuropathy symptoms. Vitamin E, rank 6, is a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in damaged nerves, promoting recovery, safeguarding neurons from harmful toxins, and protecting against infections that could worsen nerve damage. Moving to rank 5, i.e., alpha lipoic acid ALA is an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and enhances nerve function. It supports energy production and detoxification, beneficial for conditions like diabetes-related neuropathy. At rank 4 is thiamine, vitamin B1, which combats oxidative stress and inflammation, addresses diabetic complications, and enhances nerve function, supporting overall nerve health and recovery. At rank 3, omega-3 fatty acids enhance nerve function, reduce inflammation, and promote faster healing of nerve damage, helping you recover more effectively and supporting overall neurological health. Magnesium sulfate, ranked 2, plays a vital role in protecting nerves from oxidative stress and aids in reducing muscle spasms and inflammation. While it doesn't directly repair nerve damage, its calming effects and support for neural transmission make it essential for overall nerve health. Lastly, curcumin, which is present in turmeric, is ranked first because it is a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It not only alleviates pain but also promotes nerve repair, offering significant relief, especially for conditions like diabetic neuropathy. That's our top 10 vitamins for nerve repair. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, take care of yourself and keep looking amazing. Bye.